right, one of our most unique sought after styles on the market. Have a lot of people send me pictures and stuff of these type of deals, like, can you do this? You know, and this is a very special piece. What you got going on here is a 6-piece rose gold, as you can see, nice pink rose gold with the diamond bar going across the tip. This one could run anywhere from, say, 700 to 1,000, depending on what type of stones we're using, depending on what type of carat, what type of gold, what type of metal we're using. As you can see, we do the full backs, full teeth on each tooth, and beautiful finish. Fred the Jeweler polish. You can see me. If you can see me holding my phone, you know that's a Fred the Jeweler polish. Mirror shine. It has to be mirror. And you see those diamonds across the front teeth give you that extra flair, while still showing off the pearly whites. The thing about those bar grills. Of course, you're going to draw a little attention to yourself with these diamonds right there going across them tips. I like to call those ice tips. But those pearly whites are going to show. And this one is in rose gold, so it's just all the way just unique. This one is going to be setting a standard for excellence. Wherever you wear this. This thing is craziness, y'all. See, you got the slightly extended fangs too, to make this thing really unique. If you need you something like this, just give us a call, buzz. We can do this in yellow gold, white gold, rose gold, black gold, two-tone, whatever y'all want to do, guys. You can even have a two-tone bar or tritone, 1, 2, 3, have it split up in 3 different colors on the bar. I'll be giving you guys inspiration for doing your grills because there's so many different ways we can go about it. I know all the different ways, but not everybody is going to want those. So all I do is give out suggestions. And you guys just run with it how you want to run with it after that point, guys. But I really appreciate y'all for tapping in. Y'all have a blessed week, man. Hit me up if y'all need anything jewelry, guys. I really look forward to working with you. Be easy, y'all. 100.